Hey my awesome people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my 5 key features that I love about Cloudways. If you are considering a hosting solution that gives you unparalleled speed, flexibility and peace of mind, then stick around. I'm going to be showing you exactly why these 5 key features make Cloudways the best between both worlds if you want to build, scale and manage your websites with ease. And that is unlimited sites on the server, no traffic caps, pay-as-you-go pricing, using 5 best-in-class cloud providers, and the amazing 24/7 support. In this video, we are going beyond the surface. We are going to talk about what truly makes Cloudways an industry leader. So let's jump straight into the video and see how each of these features brings you great value at a fraction of the cost. For agencies, developers, and even casual bloggers with multiple projects, unlimited sites on a server is a no-brainer. Now you may be thinking, wait, isn't that going to slow down everything? That's a valid concern with traditional hosting. But with Cloudways, it's a completely different game. They have engineered their platform to allow you to host as many websites as your server resources can handle, whether it's 5, 10, 20, or even more, all on one single, robust server. What does it actually look like and why is it so powerful? Imagine you have a client with an e-commerce store, another client with a blog. You are running also your personal portfolio site. With many hosts, you could separate the hosting packages for each, leading to fragmented billing, multiple control panels, and a lot more headaches. With Cloudways, you simply launch a new application, which is their term for a website, on your existing server. Each application is isolated using the containerization technology, meaning one site won't easily interfere with another. This provides a clean, organized, and highly efficient way to manage everything from a single unified dashboard. The benefits here are massive. Cost efficiency. Instead of paying for multiple hosting plans, you are optimizing the resources of one server. This often leads to significant savings, especially as your portfolio grows. One login, one dashboard, one bill. Updating your plugins, taking backups, or monitoring performance for all your sites becomes incredibly streamlined. Scalability. If one of your sites suddenly experiences a traffic surge, you can easily scale up your entire server to accommodate the increased demand, benefiting all your hosted applications simultaneously. You don't have to worry about hitting individual site limits. Let's talk about traffic caps. Many hosting providers offer unlimited bandwidth, but often have hidden clauses or fair use policies that can kick in if your site gets popular, forcing you into expensive, sudden upgrades based on the number of visitors. Or they will simply throttle your speeds or hit you with surplus charges. This focus on visitor count can be a huge worry, especially if you are running a seasonal business, launching a new product, or expecting viral content. With Cloudways, when they say no traffic caps, they mean they will not limit the number of visitors or hits your site receives. This is the critical difference. You pay for the underlying server resources you consume, CPU, RAM, storage, which dictates your performance ceiling, but there is no hard limit on the visitor count. Cloudways, though, does provide a generous fixed bandwidth allowance. That's the total amount of data your visitors are accessing or downloading. If you exceed this massive monthly data allowance, you are simply charged a small, transparent extra fee for the extra data used. The key benefit is freedom from the arbitrary visitor limits. You can focus entirely on growing your audience, content, and business without constantly glancing over your shoulder at the visitor counter. Quick pause. Because I want to be fully transparent, this video is sponsored by Cloudways, and I'm genuinely thrilled to partner with them. Having used their service extensively, I can confidently recommend them as a platform that truly delivers to its promise of high performance and flexibility. They are giving my community an exclusive offer to try them out, and you can get a 20% off discount for the first 3 months on all their hosting plans. This is a fantastic risk-free opportunity to experience the speed and simplicity of managed cloud hosting. To claim the discount, just use the coupon code GoTechUG at the checkout. You'll find the link and coupon down in the description of this video. Now, let's get back into the video. Moving on to a feature that offers incredible financial flexibility, pay-as-you-go pricing. In the world of hosting, we are often locked into long-term contracts, 1 year, 2-year, or even 3-year commitments, just to get a decent monthly rate. If your needs change, you are stuck. Cloudways completely flips this model. With pay-as-you-go, you only pay for resources you consume, right down to the hour. There are no long-term contracts, no hidden fees for early cancellation, and no upfront commitments required. What does this look like in practice? Let's say you have a powerful server for a temporary project, or perhaps a holiday shopping rush. You can spin up a high-resource server, use it for a few weeks, and then scale it back down, or even delete it, only paying for the exact time it was active. On the other hand, if your project is just starting small, you can begin with a lower-tier server and then easily scale up as your traffic and resource needs grow, without migrating your site or changing your plan. This offers unprecedented control over your budget. Eliminate waste. You are not paying for idle resources you don't need. Budget predictability. While it's hourly, you can easily project monthly costs based on your server size and scale up or down to manage your budget effectively. Risk-free experimentation. Want to try out a more powerful server? Do it for a few hours, see the difference, and if it's not for you, scale back down. No penalties. Pay-as-you-go truly aligns your hosting costs with your actual usage, giving you unmatched agility and financial control. The next feature is a cornerstone of Cloudways power, your choice of 5 best-in-class cloud providers. Unlike traditional hosting companies that own their own infrastructure, Cloudways acts as a managed layer on top of the world's leading cloud infrastructure providers. This means that you get the best of both worlds, the raw power and global reach of giants like DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, Amazon Web Services, and the Google Cloud Platform, combined with the ease of use and expert management from the Cloudways team. Why is this so crucial? First is performance. Each of these providers offers enterprise-grade hardware and network infrastructure, ensuring your sites are lightning fast and reliable. You are not getting a shared server in a random data center. You are tapping into global networks. 2 is the global reach. With data centers spread across the globe, from North America to Europe to Asia and Australia, you can choose a server location closest to your target audience. This drastically reduces latency, leading to faster page load times and a better user experience, which is great for SEO. The last one is flexibility and specialization. DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr. These are great for cost-effective performance, especially for small to medium-sized businesses and developers. AWS and GCP offer unparalleled scalability and advanced features for enterprise-level projects, high-traffic applications, and those with specific cloud service requirements. Cloudways essentially removes the complexity of managing these powerful cloud infrastructures directly, providing you with a simple interface to deploy and manage your sites while still leveraging their immense capabilities. It's like having a supercar without needing to be a mechanic. Finally, and perhaps most importantly for your peace of mind, the amazing 24/7 chat and ticket support. We have all been there. The website goes down, you have a critical question, or just plain stuck. In those moments, responsive and knowledgeable support isn't just a nice to have, it's absolutely essential. Cloudways understands this, and it shows in their dedication to customer service. Their support isn't just available 24/7, it's built on a foundation of expertise. Their team consists of highly trained cloud engineers who understand the complexity of their platform and the underlying cloud infrastructures. You are not getting canned responses or being bounced between departments. What does this look like when you need it? Instant access. Live chat is available around the clock, meaning you can get immediate access for urgent issues. Ticketing system. For complex queries or requests, their robust ticketing system ensures detailed communication and tracking. Beyond direct support, Cloudways offers an extensive knowledge base, tutorials, and a vibrant community forum where you can find answers and share insights. Proactive monitoring. Cloudways offers advanced and premium support add-ons for those who need dedicated account managers and even faster response times for critical incidents. Knowing that expert help is always just a click away, no matter the time zone or the day of the week, allows you to focus on your business, not on the server headaches. This level of support truly differentiates Cloudways and makes it a reliable partner for your online ventures. Before we wrap this up, I want to give you a quick bonus tip to you all my fellow designers, developers, and agency owners. One of the things I love about Cloudways is their commitment to transparency. They have a fully public roadmap where you can see exactly what new features, cloud providers, improvements that are in development, and what they are planning next. It's a great way to see the future of the platform and know that your host is constantly innovating. I'll drop a link to their public roadmap in the description below so you can check it out. So that wraps up our look at the features that make Cloudways such a powerful and efficient platform. Unlimited sites on a single server for massive cost saving, no traffic caps so you can focus entirely on growth, pay-as-you-go pricing for ultimate financial flexibility, your choice of 5 best-in-class cloud providers for global reach and top-tier performance, and of course their amazing 24/7 expert support for your complete peace of mind. Together, these features create a best-in-class hosting ecosystem. And remember, you can try this platform for yourself with an exclusive discount. Cloudways is offering you a 20% off for your first 3 months on all plans. Make sure to click the link in the description and use the coupon code GoTechUG to claim your savings. If you found this video of value, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.